Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Kia vehicle guys. If you have a Kia vehicle and you want to know what are the symptoms of bad engine mount or cracked engine mount, we will explain all that as we go. That should work on multiple Kia models such as Kia Optima, Forte, Sportage, Sorento, Kia Rio and Kia Soul as well. So we're going to cover all that. Make sure to stand till the end and we'll explain how this bad engine mount can completely destroy your engine, and it can cause quite a bit of damage that can cost you thousands of dollars as well. Now, let me introduce you guys quick to the channel. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information for free. Something else, if you want to see videos about diagnostics, electronics, fixing electronic components, all that will be on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out, we'll have quite helpful information. If you need to buy any parts or tools, anything for your Kia guys, we'll share the links in the description of the video below where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So this specifically guys, it's a 2013 Kia Optima that we'll be demonstrating on. This is the engine mount, that we have right here. Now, if you have a bad engine mount, what the engine mount does, let me explain. It holds your engine to the body of the vehicle. Otherwise, the engine and the transmission will go anywhere. Without the engine mount, check out, that engine, I can move it guys to the point that nothing is securing it. When you have a bad cracked engine mount, it means that you have excessive engine movement. So you can definitely feel that, especially if you're changing gears from park to reverse and drive, you can feel engine movement. Another thing, when you do sudden acceleration stops, you can hear a clunking or engine movement from the engine compartment. But those are not the most common ones. What else can cause that? If you have a bad engine mount, you will feel, excessive noise coming from the engine bay. It will feel like a metal is rattling, it will feel like the engine is working noisier. This is due to the fact that it will have increased vibrations. And those vibrations can often be felt inside. The dash may vibrate, steering wheel, and you can feel that especially well when you have the car in drive. You're at a stoplight, you hold the brake pedal and the RPMs are low, you can definitely feel the vibration and under acceleration as well. Now, something else guys, it's super dangerous to drive with bad engine mounts. Why? Because they can fail to the point that they don't support the engine at all, they don't support it good, and you have excessive engine movements. When you take turns or stop, that engine movement can actually make your car unbalanced. Something else, when that engine moves, it can actually, let's say it moves quite a bit, you can cause damage to the electrical systems, you can break wires, you can break coolant hoses, thermostats, you have multiple hoses that are attached to the engine. Check it out, when I move it guys, everything moves. So you can break hoses, wires, vacuum lines, multiple things guys. So if you suspect you have a bad engine mount, replace it. We have a special video that explains how to do that. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes to do it guys. It's pretty simple. So for any of you trying to figure this thing out, hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.